بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to science class. Open your book page 3. But first we will revise our previous lecture. In our previous lecture we had read about organs of the body. Then we read about external and internal organs. That external organs are those organs which we can see. External organs are those organs which we can see. And then we read about internal organs. That internal organs are those organs which present inside our body and we cannot see. Internal organs are those organs which present inside our body and we cannot see. Then we read some functions of internal organs. First we read about brain. That brain is present in the skull. With the help of brain we can think and our whole body is controlled by our brain. And lungs are present in the rib cage. With the help of lungs we can breathe air in and out of the body. Then we read about heart. That heart is also present in the rib cage and it pumps blood to all parts of our body. Then we read about stomach. That stomach is a pouch-like structure and it helps in digestion. And digestion is a process in which food breaks down into small pieces. Digestion is a process in which food breaks down into small pieces. Now let's start our today's lecture. Today our topic is sense organs. Sense organs. Students, we have 5 senses. That are sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. These are our 5 senses. These are our 5 senses. Students, इन 5 सेंसेस के लिए पे स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गन्स होते हैं जिससे हम इन सेंसेस को फील करते हैं और उनको हम सेंस ऑर्गन्स कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? सेंस ऑर्गन्स. दैट आर आई, एयर, स्किन, nose and tongue. These are 5 sense organs. These are our 5 sense organs. So students, for sight we use our eye. Sight means to see something, देखना. So for sight we use our eye. So sight is a sense and eye is an organ. And for hearing we use our ear. So hearing is a sense and ear is an organ. And to smell something we use our nose. So smell is a sense and nose is an organ. Smell is a sense and nose is an organ. And for touch we use our skin. Touch is a sense and skin is an organ. Touch is a sense and skin is an organ. And for taste we use our tongue. Taste is a sense and tongue is an organ. Taste is a sense and tongue is an organ. Students, sense organs help us to feel our surrounding. Sense organs help us to feel our surrounding. Now let's start our reading. Sense organs. We have 5 senses. We have 5 senses. As we had read that we have 5 senses. What are they? Sight, hearing, taste, touch and smell. We use the sense organs to sense things around us. We use the sense organs to sense things around us. With the help of sense organs, we feel our surrounding. These are sense organs: ear, eye, nose, tongue, fingers and skin. Skin or fingers. With the sense organs, we can see, hear, smell, taste and feel all the wonderful things in this world. With the sense organs, we can see, hear, smell, taste and feel all the wonderful things in this world. So, with the help of eye, you can see. With the help of ear, you can hear. With the help of nose, you can smell. With the help of tongue, you can taste something. And with the help of fingers or skin, you can touch something. Is it clear, students? Okay, students, it is enough for today. See you in the next lecture. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.